Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and I got my brand new HobbyZone Sport Cub S back out here. I got it bound up with my standard transmitter, and I'm hoping for a little bit better flying experience. I do have it set up with a little bit of expo, about 20% or something like that, and I'm hoping that makes it feel just that much better in the air. We do have just a light breeze, but I think it's going to do okay. Let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. All right, I got safe turned off, and we're going to take off that direction. A little bit of breeze, but I think it'll be okay. We're just going to go full throttle. Let's do it. So the expo really makes it feel really smooth. It's climbing on me, so and some of this I can't tell if it's the wind pushing it around, but maybe a little bit of a roll to the left. There, it looks like it's holding a little better. And getting away from me just a little bit. Bring it around here. Again, we are flying on 1S battery. It's the one that comes included in the box. This is ready to fly, so it does come with a transmitter. Ooh. So need a little bit of altitude before trying to do that and get a little bit of a dive in. Oh, there's the pulsing. So maybe I didn't have a full charge. When you hear the pulse, that means the battery is getting low. So let's circle around here behind me since the wind's from that way. All right, we're fighting the wind. We'll take it back around. And she wants to sit down because that... I heard the prop hit, but we're on the ground. And I'll take it because the wind is really pushing it around. So what a beautiful day today. Big thanks to the Lord for providing an ability to get out here and just enjoy RC again. And the Sport Cub S by HobbyZone flew great. It still has that whirling sound. I think it's geared, so I think that's part of the noise that I'm hearing. I didn't realize that, but you know, for the price that you pay for this, you're not going to get a brushless motor probably. So anyways, flew great. I was glad to be able to see the battery voltage on my transmitter. It was saying 3.8 volts when I got it on the ground, and it was pulsing, letting me know that the battery was down. Little disappointed that I didn't have it fully charged. The light went off on the battery charger, so I'll have to check that out. But yeah, what a beautiful flight. I got to get a little better on my trims, but we'll get it dialed in and have some more fun with this airplane. And I appreciate all your guys' support. Big thanks to all of you for watching the video. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.